Storm Ellen. Will Atlantic system become Storm Ellen and hit UK? Weather warnings in place. Hot weather has hit the UK this week, with highs of more than 28°C on Wednesday and sunny skies all week. Now an ominous satellite image has shown a system with churning winds. Could this turn into Storm Ellen? Temperatures rocketed on Wednesday, reaching 28.2°C in Santon Downham, making it the hottest day of the year so far. Sunny skies and warm weather have continued into Thursday, but there is a risk of thunderstorms and strong winds as a change in weather is forecast over the next few days. For Friday, the Met Office has issued a yellow weather warning for wind, with an area of low pressure bringing winds of up to 60 miles per hour in some areas. We'll have some strong winds on Friday thanks to an area of low pressure. The core of the strongest winds looks set to skirt the northwest of the UK, bringing the risk of gales and gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour in places. A yellow warning for strong winds has been issued for N Island. Strong winds.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.